Let's talk about fees, waivers, and contracts. Animals First can process fees and collect signatures on waivers based on certain animal intakes and outcomes. Intake fees and waivers can be collected for stray, owner surrender, owner-requested euthanasia, transfer in, adoption return, field services admission, clinic in, and service in intake types. You can enable or disable these fees in your shelter info page. Once enabled, you can edit these fees and waivers under the intake settings. Intake waivers can be utilized for things such as owner relinquishment contracts. You can set your waivers for multiple intake types and can have any number of waivers per intake type. When you have your fees and waivers set, the intake fee and intake waiver drop-down menus will display on the intake form for the relevant intake type. You can also toggle them on and off from here. Intake fees go hand in hand with intake waivers, so if you turn one off, you turn off the other. To utilize intake waivers, but not charge a fee, make sure you select the correct toggles in the shelter info page. Outcome fees can be processed for adoption and return to owner outcomes, and are set up in the outcome section of the settings. You'll want to be sure to set an adoption fee for each species of animal that your organization encounters. And you can have multiple fees for each species. Adoption fees can be set from the In-Care Table pop-out menu or from the animal profile. Return to owner fees can be set as flat fees or daily fees. Daily fees are automatically calculated based on the animal's length of stay. Again, you'll need to set a fee for each species that your organization handles. You'll be prompted to select your return to owner fee when you start the outcome process. Additional fees can be used however your organization sees fit. Some organizations utilize them to set both a flat and daily fee for return to owner outcomes. Under the outcome settings, you'll also find discounts, where you can add in any commonly used discounts for your organization, such as a military or senior adoption discount. Outcome waivers can be found under the outcome settings and only apply to adoption and return to owner outcomes. You can use these waivers for things like bite history disclosures or medical waivers. Once you have created your outcome waivers, you can apply them to an animal from the animal's profile. An animal can have any number of waivers. Animals First offers a few different contracts to help your organization document important transactions and transfers of ownership. All contracts are optional and can be toggled on or off by an Animals First representative. The adoption contract is a customizable text field that can house your organization's specific contract language. The contract will automatically pull in the animal and adopter information during an adoption checkout process. You can also choose to set contracts for return to owner and transfer out outcome types.